It's normal for the liver to have some fat, but if more than 5 to 10% of your liver's weight is fat, then you have what's known as a fatty liver. This video will guide you through steps to reverse non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Before we continue, please note that the information in this video was researched and reviewed by real people who are qualified professionals. NAFLD is a liver problem that happens to people who drink little or no alcohol. NAFLD is a case where so much fat is built up in the liver. It's usually seen in people who are overweight or obese, and the risk is higher for people over age 50, particularly women. The main goal in treating any type of fat buildup in the liver is to reach a healthy weight through diet and exercise. While the medication Rezdiffra, helps to treat this condition, you need to use it along with lifestyle changes for weight loss. The good news is, you don't have to reach your ideal weight to reap the rewards. If you lose 5% of your body weight, there will be an improvement. If you lose 7%, you can reduce some damage to the liver cells. And if you lose 10%, you can see improvement in scar tissue. So be aware that however you lose the weight makes a difference. According to the American Liver Foundation, rapid weight loss and poor eating habits may also lead to NAFLD. So what should you eat to achieve this goal? In general, more plant-based diet is better. This will help insulin work better and help with weight loss too. 1. Eliminate saturated fat and avoid simple sugars like fructose. Following a balanced diet, such as the Mediterranean, is recommended while eliminating the saturated fats found mainly in butter, cream, red meat, and sausages, etc. Eliminate sugars, such as white and brown sugar, and the ones found in honey, milk chocolate, and biscuits. Mostly the sugar in sweet drinks and fruit juices should be avoided completely as they have high fructose content. Fructose is a sugar that promotes fat production in the liver. Eliminating sugary drinks is a primary goal. Mediterranean diet. This style of eating combines the kinds of foods that help reduce fat in your liver. They include healthy fats, antioxidants, and complex carbohydrates. Replace your food with olive oil instead of butter. Fish or poultry instead of red meat. Enjoy fresh fruit and skip sugary desserts. Flavorful veggies and beans. Nuts are good, but stick to a handful a day because some nuts contain aflatoxin, which may be harmful to the liver when consumed in excess. You can have whole grain bread and wine, moderate amounts. Some good food for fatty liver include fish and seafood, fruits, whole grains, olive oil, vegetables, avocados, legumes, coffee. Coffee is associated with reduced progression of scarring in the liver in both alcohol and non-alcohol related liver disease. Caffeinated coffee is probably better, but there's an evidence that decaf is also beneficial, even if you add milk. Fatty liver food to avoid. Poultry except for lean white meat. Full-fat cheese, yogurt except low-fat. Red meat, baked food, and fried food made with palm or coconut oil. Sugary food like candy, regular soda, and other food with added sugar including high fructose corn syrup. Antioxidants and supplements for liver health. Cells get damaged when nutrients don't break down properly. This can lead to fat buildup in your liver. But compounds known as antioxidants can protect the cells from this damage. Where do you get them? Coffee, green tea, raw garlic, fruits, especially berries. Vegetables. Liquid plant-based oil with monounsaturated fats like olive. 2. Reduce the amount of food you eat at night. You should eat more food in the morning and gradually decrease the amount you eat throughout the day, especially before going to bed, since all the food you eat before bedtime accumulates in form of fat. 3. Follow the plate method. This method consists of dividing a round plate into different sections and occupying each section with a specific type of food. One half of the plate should consist of vegetables like salads, spinach, cabbage. A quarter should contain carbohydrates, e.g. pasta, potatoes or rice alternating with wholemeal is better. The last quarter should consist of protein, preferably vegetable protein, such as legumes, maybe fish, eggs, or chicken. 4. Exercise for a healthy liver. You should do moderate to intense exercise 3 to 4 times a week, according to your physical condition. Let's sweat. The ideal is to combine aerobic exercises like swimming, running, dancing, or cycling with anaerobic or strength and endurance exercises. Then move to push-ups, sit-ups, planks, or squats, for example. This combination increases base metabolism, burns more calories, and cut the amount of fat in your liver. Exercise always has to be adapted to the physical condition of each person. If a person cannot run or cycle, they can still do static exercises that move joints such as arms and legs, or exercise with dumbbells. Sessions of 20 to 40 minutes a day, once or twice, should be done. A session may consist of a routine of 6 to 8 exercises, repeated 15 times each, and this circuit repeated 2 or 3 times. Control your diabetes by doing what your doctor tells you to do to manage your diabetes. Take your medications as prescribed and keep a close watch on your blood sugar. 5. Permanently eliminate the consumption of alcohol and tobacco. Research suggests there is no such thing as an okay amount of alcohol for people trying to reverse NAFLD, not even the standard drink per day for women or 2 drinks per day for men. It is necessary to stop alcoholic drinks, not only for the amount of sugar they contain, which is a lot, but also because the toxicity of alcohol can add fat deposits to an already damaged liver, which may lead to progression of the disease. Alcohol significantly impacts disease progression in other forms of liver disease, including NASH. Tobacco also is another toxic substance that has consequences for progression of this disease. So what should you drink? Try to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water every day. If you find it challenging to drink plain water, you can add some slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint in your water to make it more refreshing. 6. Treat other health problems. If you treat other health condition connected with fatty liver, then you can work on reversing NAFLD too. Conditions may include diabetes, high cholesterol, high triglycerides, fat in the blood, sleep apnea, polycystic ovary syndrome, underactive thyroid or hypothyroidism, underactive pituitary gland or hypopituitarism. 7th, medication. Some over-the-counter medicines also put strain on your liver. Follow the dose directions when you take acetaminophen to make sure you don't take too much. And make sure you read the labels of all the medications you take. Acetaminophen can be found in cold medications and also in prescription for pain relief. Talk to your doctor about all the drugs and supplements you take. Some people with liver problems should not take non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen and naproxen. Potassium. Low levels of potassium may be linked to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Good sources of potassium are fish like cod, salmon, and sardines. It's also found in veggies including broccoli, peas, sweet potatoes, and in fruits like bananas, kiwi, and apricots. Dairy food like milk and yogurt are also high in potassium. Choose low-fat options. Vitamin E. Some studies have found that vitamin E seem to improve how well the liver work, but the science is not settled. If you're interested in trying this supplement, talk to your doctor first. It may not be safe for everyone, and it has been linked with prostate cancer. Keep in touch with your doctor about your condition. Researchers are working on new drugs to treat NAFLD or MASLD, and one of them may be right for you. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe for more.